Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, grateful gang, grateful gang, grateful gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that subscribe button. Okay, it is free 99. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, as well as sharing this with anyone you think will help. And of course, talk to me down in the comments. Y'all know that I love to talk to y'all. So let's get into today's video. Today is December 7th, and we are needing to go get our cash envelope money out or transfer it where it needs to go. So a lot of things are changing where I'm not going to do all the cash, but I do need to think this through because there are some things that I'm doing cash for a reason. So instead of leaving my house, because I actually need to get gas and all that, I'm going to do this with you all and figure it out right now. Okay. I also need to set up some accounts or go through the accounts. That may be a different video. Go through my 29 Capital One accounts and either rename them something, because I want to actually do separate accounts for each of my variable expenses, if that makes sense. So I want, instead of having everything in the cashless envelope money, and I was going to do it with Ally, but now I don't trust them for the back and forth of the Zelle and get my card paid. So I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to stick with Capital One. I'm going to stick beside her. I'm going to stick with Capital One, and I'm going to just create new accounts or rename some of my older accounts with gas, groceries, all that, whichever one we're going to stay online with. I hope I am making sense and y'all are tracking with me. So first I'm going to open up my sheets and go to my budget for fourth quarter, and we're in November. So let's look at November's budget. These are the last 3 checks right here. What I'm trying to find out, and these are my variable expenses right here. What I'm trying to find out is how much each one is really supposed to get. So I'm going to get a scrap piece of paper, because who's trying to figure this all out? I got my paper and I've got my calculator, and we're going to go ahead and figure out. It would be good if I had a pen. And we're going to figure out. I told you, I have not completely planned this out, y'all. We're just moving right along. Eating out is going to get 40 plus 40. That one was easy. So eating out equals supposed to get $80. 40 plus 40 is $80. And then fun and entertainment is going to get its normal of 20 plus 20, which is 40. Then gas is going to get 60. I don't see anything else. 60 plus 60, which is 120. And then giving is going to get 20 plus 20, which is, I don't see anything extra, which is 40. And groceries. And because the iPad is paid off, y'all, we can actually give our giving full, and we can give our what's this called? Fun and entertainment, its full amount. And so groceries will get $100, $200, $300. We're giving $300 to groceries. And that's mostly because I need to re-up my fridge and freezer and groceries. And self-care was supposed to get 90, but we had to scale it back because we spent money on our card. And that's going to get $80. All right. So we should have a total. Oh, I don't know. Let's see what our total is. We're going to have 80 plus 40 plus 120 plus 40 plus 300 plus 80. Well, not 800. My gosh. We're supposed to have $660 this month to cash stuff in our cashless envelopes. But the thing is, you guys know that sometimes I don't put everything in cash and everything in cashless. So eating out, we're going to put the $80 in a account. So this one will be cashless. Okay, CE. We're just going to put CE for cashless. Fun and entertainment is also going to be cashless because I feel like I can just swipe my card for whatever I'm going to buy or use. Gas, however, is going to need to be in cash. Okay, because I'm not paying extra penny or two just to have swipe my card. Yeah, that's me. Giving is going to actually, what I want to do with giving is do $10 in cash, and then I'm going to do $30 on in the cash envelope, credit cards kind of thing, right? And groceries are all going to remain online, so that's going to be the cashless envelope system. And self-care is going to be cash, because at the place that I go to currently, if you swipe your debit, credit, anything outside of cash, there will be a fee, and I'm not about that fee life. So now let's figure out what is going to what. So as far as cash envelopes categories and cash versus cash, let's see what we got. Sometimes you just got to pen or paper it, people. I'm telling you. That's everything, right? Yeah. Okay. So we have cash envelopes. That's going to be cashless envelope. C is cashless envelope. We got $80 over here for eating out. We have $40 for fun. So plus 40. We're skipping gas. We got $30 for giving. Okay. And then we have $300 to groceries, and that's it. So we have $450 that's supposed to stay online and be cashless. And then for cash, just make sure we've got $120 for gas, and we've got $10 for giving, and we've got $80 for self-care. So that's $210. This little thing be weird, so I'm not sure y'all can see it. Hopefully you can see it now. Okay, and then let's make sure these add up to our total of $660. So $210 plus $450 is $660. Perfect. So we now know what we're doing. Okay. And for cash envelope, that's going to be easy. Actually, we're going to go ahead and move. Oh, we can't move right now. We need to create accounts. Let's see if we can make. Okay, we're just going to move all the things into cash envelope account right now, and then we'll come back because I want all these videos to be not too much to digest. I'm gonna put all the money that needs to go in cashless envelope for now, but the goal for me is we're gonna come back and look through all of my sinking funds. This is just what I'm doing in December to get ready for 2025 and moving most things to digital that makes sense for me. So as we can see, Hold Your Horses has $663.20, which makes sense. Some of it is interest, but $660 is the basis, which is all of our money that we've been putting in, because we haven't started putting any money in for the mortgage, so or else it would be more. For January's mortgage, don't worry, December's mortgage is already paid. But yeah, so let's go ahead in our cashless envelope, and we had extra money left over from groceries, and we're gonna keep that. So I need to remember that the $4.55. So actually, you know what? I'm gonna make the cashless envelope groceries when we switch over everything. That way, the $4.55 stays in groceries, because we want that. Okay, and I'm just gonna notate that plus $4.55. That's already in there. Okay. So let's transfer some money. I hope you guys enjoy this style of video, because this is just how I think about things as I'm trying to change things over. We are going to find Hold Your Horses, because we're transferring from Hold Your Horses over to the cashless envelope, and we're going to be moving $450 there. Don't do that. Okay, $450. Submit. And this is going to be for December cashless envelopes. And we're going to submit that note, and we're going to slide to confirm. Transfer complete. Success. Now we're going to go and we're going to move the rest of the money from from Hold Your Horses, the $210 that we need for cash. We're going to go ahead and transfer that to my Major Keys account, so that when I go to CVS to go to the machine, I can pick it up from there. Okay, so we're going to transfer from Hold Your Horses, that's already correct, over to Tara's Major Keys. Did I not choose it? And we're going to move $210 like we talked about. And this is going to be for our cash envelopes. I'm going to submit and we're going to slide to confirm. Perfect. Success. So now Hold Your Horses is pretty empty because we haven't done our December budget transfers and all that yet. This has more money in it, and so does this. So we're good to go as far as grabbing money from the machine. Yeah, guys, so that is what I'm doing with my cashless envelopes right now. So when I grab my cash from the CVS, I'll come back and I will go ahead and we'll stuff our envelopes together. Hey, y'all. So I'm back from the bank, my parents' house, all the things. It's literally almost, oh my God, it's almost 10 o'clock at night. So if you get the shadows, I apologize. Let me know how the quality looks though, because I'm using that ring light thing y'all saw me put together on one of the Vlogmas videos. Let's get into cashing our envelopes. No. Stuffing our envelopes with cash, because that's the last thing we have to do right now. I just got my little cheat sheet over here because, you know, don't always be remembering. But first, let me get the cash out. And I had to spend some of it on gas, so it won't be exact. I needed to get gas. I was under half a tank, and we know how I feel about being under half a tank of gas. We don't like it, okay? Not at all. I originally was taking out $210 in cash. Let's see how much of that I have left. I spent 23. Right there. So I got 2 receipts to scan. We love that for me. Okay, so let's get the money. Let me get my money situated. All right, y'all. So if we started with $210, and we just spent $23 on gas, we should have $187 left. Let's see what we're working with. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. That's 180, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. Exactly. So we have $187 like we should. Perfect. We know that gas needs to get, well, it was supposed to get 120. 120 minus 23, it's supposed to get 97 now. 20, 40, 60. 70, 80, 90, 5, 6, 7.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
197. Let's make sure I did that right. $20, $40, $60, $70, $80, $90, 91, 92. Girl, please. I knew it's late. It's late. I had to double check because I was like, something ain't right. I need to add the full $7. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. Now we have $197 in gas. I need to fill out the tracker as well. So this is actually 12/7, and there was a gas deposit of $120, leaving with $120, and then on 12/7 again, I went and bought gas. I shouldn't say gas, I should say deposit. I'll put deposit. I bought gas for $23, leaving us with a balance of $97. Just so we're all on the same page and up to date. And then giving is another one that's going to get cash. So giving is going to get 10, and the rest of giving will remain online. So on 12/7, we did a deposit to giving of $7. Jesus, $10. Oh my God, I need to go get some sleep. $10 for a balance of $10. My goodness, because I just said 97. The 7 was still in my head. And then eating out is going to stay online. Fun is going to stay online. Self-care, self-care needs to be stuffed, and that should be the last of the cash. Self-care is getting $80 on 12/7 deposit. $80. The $80 still there. I need to go soon because my eyebrows look cray. 20, 40, 60, 80. Hopefully next weekend or sometime during the week. So self-care got its $80 and that's it. You guys, I still have not brought back the money that we had saved from the challenges that's supposed to go into apparel. And I took, I think, $5 out for a tip, which I need to allocate. So apparel had $49, $12.5, I guess. I gave a tip to someone out of this money because they put air in my tire. I was about to have a breakdown mentally. Y'all, it was a tough night. 49 minus $5. So I should still have $44 here. 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Perfect. So I still have $44, and so this was $5 for a tip, leaving us with $44. I need to drop this off and put it into clothing because I feel like the more it sits here, the worse it's going to be for me to spend it on something it's not supposed to be spent on. And I still need clothes because it's getting cold over here, okay? So I'm going to switch out the 10 that went to giving for 10 singles because it's easier for me to give singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm laughing, y'all, because I feel like I'm counting so slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're going to put the 10 singles back into giving. Giving will get its $10 back. And then we're going to make sure we still have 44 because the way that my mind is working at the middle of the night is not good. I wanted to stay up and twist up my hair. Just like put some single twist in my own natural hair, y'all. But I don't know. I think I need to go to sleep. I think I need to sleep. I was up late last night taking braids out. And now I'm extremely tired. I just go to sleep early and then try to wake up earlier. 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Perfect. So this $44 needs to go back to the bank. But that's it, y'all. We have, I'll scan my receipts later. But we have stuffed our cash envelopes for December. I am going to come back and we're going to go over our Capital One accounts, see which ones I can switch over to those accounts that are going to stay online, or I'll open new accounts with new names for them. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. I really am grateful for you all. I thank you so very much for always supporting me, always watching. Any little thing I do, you know, I feel like I'm like, any of y'all want anything from the gas station? But thank you so much. Have a wonderful, blessed night. Bye. Jazz hands. Love you. Mean it. Bye.